Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Brian. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, and today I have a mini haul from TJ Maxx, all Free People items to resell on Poshmark. Yesterday I went to TJ Maxx on my way home from my day job, and I was looking for items for my boyfriend for his birthday, which is actually today, and while I was there, I figured I might as well search through the clearance racks to find a couple items to flip on Poshmark. So what you're going to want to do is look for the clearance racks. They have red tags on the end, and you're just going to want to look through those racks. I didn't have a lot of time, so I had to search through the racks really fast, and for me, I was just looking for Free People. This is a new TJ Maxx. It opened last month, so the inventory was kind of scarce. It's pretty picked over. I don't think that they allocated a lot for this location, and it ended up being really busy this season. We went there for the grand opening, and it was packed. It was pretty picked over, but I was still able to find a couple good items. I'm going to start with what I didn't get. I found quite a bit of Free People, but some of them I didn't get, and I'll tell you why. I'm going to show you what they were, and I'll put pictures up here on the screen. The first one was this We the Free cold shoulder orange. It's got some raw exposed seams. It was cute, but it was $20, and I didn't have time to search comps and figure out if I could make money, since this is kind of a plain style. I didn't think it would be really worth flipping for just a couple bucks. And I think the cold shoulders, that trend was kind of like 2017 and 18. I don't really think that they're as popular anymore, so decided to pass on that. And this next one, this is a lace shoulder detail, like button neck with some lace around the neckline too. And this was super cute, but it was marked $25, which, who knows, I probably could have sold it for like $40, but not worth the time. Again, I didn't have time to research comps, so decided to pass on that one. Next is this We the Free thermal knit top, and it was kind of an oversized fit with like a slouch neck and some exposed seams, and this was a cute style but kind of plain, and I decided to pass because it was $20. So definitely was looking for things that were below $20. Without being able to research, it just didn't seem like it would be enough of a markup. Next was another thermal knit top. This one was like a sagey green mossy color, and it had a pocket in the front and raglan shoulders and kind of like a wide neckline. But again, this was a cute style, but kind of on the plain side, not a lot of detail, so it was marked $20. I don't think there would have been a lot of room for markup and making a profit on this. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I actually ended up getting. The first item was this Intimately Free bodysuit. So it's got a ruffle shoulder, super bohemian style, with a crisscross back, and on the front it has a little bit of a keyhole detail, and button up bodysuit on the bottom. So it has these little like gold embellishments. They're like a faded kind of rustic gold embellishments, and it's got lurex embroidery. If you don't know what lurex is going to be any thread that is shiny. So that's going to be a keyword that you can use when you're listing items. And yeah, I thought this would be super cute paired with like light denim shorts. Festival season and spring is right around the corner, so I thought this would be perfect for that kind of season that's coming up. And the next item I actually got two of the exact same one. So got two here. But I wish they would have been different sizes. They're both size 0, but it was a super cute dress, and it doesn't look like a typical Free People item. It's kind of like a polyester material. It's got the polka dots with these kind of floral poppy flowers on them, which I think is just super cute. and it's a little mini dress that flares with a cinched waist. The original price on this is $128, and it was marked to $10. Everything I ended up buying was only $10. The bodysuit, I think I can flip for around, I'm gonna start it around 75, but I expect it to sell for closer to 45 to 55. And then the bodysuit, I'm gonna list it for probably 50, but I expect that to sell for probably only 35 to 40. So I just finished filming this video and I realized there's one thing I wanted to add in and tell you guys about this dress, is that here I'll show you on the TJ Maxx tag, they actually have the compare at price as $38, and they originally had it marked at $29, and then it was marked down to $10. But you can see on the Free People tag, the original value is actually $128. So whoever was pricing these items kind of had a little mess up and wasn't paying attention to the original retail price, which actually helped me get it at a discount. Anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video to share with you guys what I got. So you're going to want to go to your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls soon before everyone else gets there. And I think that you'll be able to find more if your store wasn't like a brand new one like mine that didn't have a lot of inventory. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please like this video and hit the subscribe button, and I'll be back with more videos like this soon. Bye.